Hey guys, it's me Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be talking about how I incorporate rose water in my everyday life. I'm not feeling good today, so I just thought of doing a quick and easy review video that I can just sit in bed and do it. So I've got my rose water here. Yep. So this is KTC rose water. It's KTC rose water. And it's cheap, it's not expensive. I got this from Asda, so you can get it from any supermarket or any beauty shop. Yeah, so that's my rose water. All I do is I get a bottle that I can spray, and this is a bottle of my, you don't have to buy a bottle, you can just use a finished bottle of your makeup setting spray. This was a makeup setting spray that I finished using it. So all I do is it's already been open for me, so I just pour it in. So you just pour it in. So one way that you can use rose water is, for me, especially on the days that I'm not feeling well. You can see how tired my face is looking. I will wake up looking so tired, and I always have my rose water next to me. So one way that you can use it is to refresh your skin. It refresh your skin, moisturize it, and give it like revitalization and looking nice and moisturized. So all I do is I just spray it, and instantly you can see how fresh my skin is looking. It just refresh your skin. The second way I use rose water is I use it as a makeup setting spray, or I use it to prep my skin before I do my makeup. So before you do your makeup, all you do is first of all just spray it on your face, and then you start applying. So it acts as a primer. If you don't have a primer, you can just use it. It smells so good. The smell, when you smell it around you, you spray it, you can just smell how good it is. You just use it to spray your face, and then you apply your makeup. After you apply your makeup, to use it as a setting spray, all you have to do is to spray it on top of your makeup, and this helps your makeup to last longer, and it will set the makeup and it will look really nice and flourish. Like sometimes you see people and their makeup is cakey, you know. You don't want that to happen. Just use it to spray your face, and it's just act as a setting spray. It will set your makeup and make it look flourish. Another way that you can use rose water is to use it as a, because it had a antioxidant, it helped to with anxiety. If you you suffer with stress and anxiety, one way you can use it is after you have your shower. Just spray it all over your body. Just spray it all over your body, and then you just go to sleep. It will help to, you know, calm you down. It helps with anxiety and stress. It helps to calm you down, and this is what I've been using, natural way I'm using to help me with my stress, to calm me down. And another way that you can use it to calm you down is use it, just pour some in your water whilst you are bathing. After you finish bathing, mix some with your water and use it to wash yourself, and this will refresh you and it will calm you down and just detoxify you from stress. Another way that you can also use it, and this is how I use it, is like I suffer with sleep difficulties. I'm not able to sleep well, so the way that I use it to help me is I just get my pillow here. It doesn't wet your pillow, because it's not like you don't pour it on it. You just spray it. You just spray your pillow. So you got it in a bottle that you can spray. All you do is like, yeah, spray it on your pillow like this, and this will help you to be able to sleep. It help you, like, even the way it smells after you spray in it, that alone can help you. It smells so good, you know. So this will help you to be able to sleep, and that's one way that I use this rose water. Rose water has lots of benefit, but I'm just going to be talking about, I'm not going to be reading anything. I'm just going to be talking about like how I use it and how it helps me and the benefit that I get from it, you know. So yeah, just spray your pillows when you are going to bed, And then yeah, and also in general, after your room is been tidy, it's got like really scent to it. After your room is been tidy, just spray it. Just spray it, you know, in your room, and this will give your room smelling really nice and that kind of stuff. I've got a flower here, so what I do is to make my room smell nice. All I do is get my rose water. This is not a fresh water. It's not a fresh flower. It's the fake flower one, so it's like there forever. So all I do is to spray it on the flower, and my room like always smell nice and refreshing, because I spend so much time in my room and I always want it to smell nice and refreshing. And as you can see, look at my face and my skin. Like before I started the video, I was like looking more tired, and you know, but after I spray it, my face is instantly looking more refreshed and less tired. And so like when you have like a long haul, like you are in a flight and you've got a long haul, you need to make sure you've got like a rose water in a bottle with you. I know they don't allow like big ones, so you get a tiny bottle and you put your rose water in it immediately. Like the plane is about to land, especially when you're in a plane that you have to like overnight and you spend the night in it. Before the plane will be landing, you get your bottle and you just spray it in your face, and it will instantly help your skin to look nice and refreshed, because when you are in a long haul, you don't have time to be doing makeup and all that. So you just, you know, spray it and it will help you looking nice and fresh when you get off the plane. So this is like the ways that I use it. Another way that you can also use rose water is to help with puffy eyes. You know, when you wake up, sometimes you've got like puffy eyes, which I did had. You get like really puffy eye. All you do is to spray it in your face. You know, you can spray as much as you want in your face, and it will get rid of all the puffy eyes. Another way that you can use rose water, and I've talked about more than about 8 uses now. Another way that you can use rose water is also to treat an acne. You know, the way acne comes is when you've got a dead build up, when you do the makeup and all that, or you have oily skin and you get a dead build up. That's when bacteria form and then you get an acne. So to prevent this, like all you do is you can use a cotton bud, soak it with the rose water and just use it to dab on your face. Or you can, to make it easier for you, you can also just spray it, which is the way I do it. And this will help you. The antioxidant in the rose water will help to fight off the bacteria, and therefore preventing the acne to form in your face. So it's very, very important. If you incorporate this in your skincare routine, this will help clear your skin by fighting all the bacteria, so you don't get all acne in your face. And you can see my face, I don't have makeup on or anything. I'm in bed, I'm in unbearable pain. I wake up being in unbearable pain, and I've actually been crying today. I haven't even showered, I don't have makeup on or anything. But you can see like my skin is nice and clear. I don't have to be always dapping makeup on my face. So this is really good. It will help you with a nice, you know, nice and clear skin. Another way you can also do it, you see, when you cook, like you have all this smell going on around your face, your house. And for me, I really hate like houses that when you visit some houses, immediately you enter the front door, you can smell everything that they've cooked in the house, and it smells so bad in the house. To prevent that, if you don't want something too, you know, strong that like is overpowering in your house, all you do is, after you clean your house in the morning, just spray a little bit of the rose water in the air, and your house will be smelling nice and clean, not too strong, but nice, and calm the house. And it will also calm the atmosphere and detoxify everyone in the house from stress. So rose water has a really, really, really good, you know, uses. If I go like online, and then, so this is like what is in my head that I use every day in my everyday life. Like what I talk about, facial cleanser, you can use it as a facial cleanser. You can also use it as a skin toner. when you wash your face with your facial product, you wash your face after that, to use it as a toner. All you need is you get a deep cotton pad, you dip it in and you just tap it on your face, and it will just tone your face before you put any moisturizer and everything on. So it's also like I said about like tired eye, it helps with it. And also one thing that I use it for that I forget to mention is hair treatment. You can use this as a hair conditioner. Like one way you can use it as a hair conditioner is after you wash your hair with a shampoo, you mix some of rose water with water and just pour it in your hair and just rinse it, give it a final rinse, and this will make your hair smell nice and will also, you know, act as a conditioner. Another way that you use in your hair that is beneficial is if you've got mild dandruff, like you see that you've got some itchiness, you don't have too bad dandruff, but you've got itchiness and mild dandruff in your hair, you use it as a conditioner or you spray it in your hair every day. You should spraying it in your hair and it will stop the dandruff from forming. It also acts as an anti-inflammable. So like let's say you on your scalp you've got something that is inflamed, like sometimes the dandruff can make some inflame in your skin, and like when you itch it, you scratch it, some part of your skin can inflame. Just use this and spray in it and it will just stop all that inflammation. And also like it stop like redness, like you know when you've got like a pimples and you touch it, it all goes red and inflamed. Just use your rose water, spray your face or put it on a cotton pad and put it on the affected place, and you will see that all the swelling and the inflamed, the redness will just go down. It will just act as a skin calming. It will calm your skin and it will stop all the inflammation. So rose water has a lots and lots and lots of uses that some people don't know. So always make sure you have a rose water in your house. You know, you always make sure it's cheap, it doesn't cost much, it's something that you can incorporate in your everyday skincare routine and your hair care routine, and it will make a big difference to you. Like it also helps to grow your hair. You know, when all the dandruff and all the scalp itching is gone and your hair is nice and revitalized, what happen is it promote hair growth and your hair will be growing nice and naturally, you know, because there's no condition preventing it from growing and breaking it, you know. So it's very good to incorporate it in your everyday life. You can see like from my face, like talking now, you can see the difference that it has made in my face. Before I spray, I was looking tired, more tired than I'm looking now. You can see how my skin is looking refreshed. So this is what I do every day. Sometimes when I come on the screen, some people think I've got makeup on, but I say, look, I don't have any makeup on. I don't wear makeup at home. All I do is after my shower, and I cream after shower and washing my face with my normal skincare, you know, product, I just use it to spray my face, and then I use my bio oil. Yeah, so another way that you can also use rose water is using it like with coconut oil. Use it as a makeup remover. So you add some to a coconut oil, you know, you melt the coconut oil and you pour it in the rose water. You just tap it in a cotton pad, and this is the most easiest way to remove your makeup. Even if the makeup is waterproof, it just easily remove it. So, and I love this when I've got do some makeup, like a proper glam makeup or like greater eyeshadows, and it's hard to remove. All I do is mix a coconut oil with my rose water and I use it to wipe it, and it just easily wipe it. This is the best. It works better than any wipe that you can use, you know, and you know that this will calm your skin and it will not irritate your skin, because some of the facial skincare wipes, when you use it to wipe your face, you can see like how your skin is just all gone red and irritated. This will stop and prevent all those kind of things. So I'm not going to make this video long. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you are going to incorporate it in your everyday use and your everyday skincare routine. This will help you. So if you have tried this rose water and you know the benefit and you're watching this, comment down below. Let me know what you use it for, how you use it, and how it has benefited you. So as always, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. So I'm recording this video today on Saturday. I think it's 5th of April or something like that. I don't know. I know it's Saturday, but I'm not sure of the date. Yeah, but I'm just going to record, and I'm not going to make any edit just record and post it. So I hope you like this. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below and support you again. Let me grow, because I'm doing a great work sharing all this with you, even though I'm not feeling well. So thank you for watching. Bye.
Every single day